Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious festive cranberry rice recipe. Let's get started. Alright, we can jump right into this one. Here I added some basmati rice to a pot. It's already been washed. Feel free to use any rice of your choice. I added some green seasoning and some powdered seasonings, which I will list in the description or the caption. Allow that to go for about 5 minutes or so, stirring consistently so it can toast a bit. Next, I'm going to come in with some hot water, give it a stir, cover, lower your heat to the lowest and allow it to go for about 20-25 minutes or so. 15 minutes in, you want to add your food coloring. I'm going to add a little green and some red. I did add some water to a few drops of color, and this is how I achieved, this look. So I will cover it and allow it to go for an extra 10 minutes. Now the rice is all done. We'll go in and fluff the rice a bit. I was in a hurry. I usually let it sit for 10 minutes before fluffing it, but I was in such a hurry. I went in right away and just fluffed the rice, and it was perfectly done. Now let's set this aside and prepare our aromatics. So to a separate pot, I added some oil, then in with some onions, garlic, ginger, red and green bell peppers, and I add a little bit of complete seasoning, not too much, because remember the rice is already well seasoned. Once that goes for about 3 minutes, we will add some cranberries. This is like the sweetened cranberries. It's not the tart one. This is what it looks like. I did rehydrate it first in some hot water before adding it to the pot. So give that a toss, let it go for about a minute or so. And yeah, that's it. We will come in with our rice. And like I said, you want to just add your rice, and then I will add some fresh scallion and parsley. And that's basically it. Quick, easy, and simple. The festive cranberry rice is all done, and this will be so delicious on your Christmas tables. So let me plate it up and show you guys the reveal and the finished product. So I paired this with some roasted chicken, potato salad, and roasted vegetable. It was absolutely divine, chef's kiss. You guys will not regret trying this recipe. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.